channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So, you know, Valentine's Day is in the air, and I'm going to show you how to make something sweet for those that you love. I'm going to show you how to make a red velvet cookie with some white chocolate chips. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell just in case whenever I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So first I'm going to put together the dry ingredients. So in a large bowl, I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. I left a stick of butter out overnight, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the bowl. And now I have my hand mixer, and I'm just going to cream both the butter and the sugar together until it's nice and fluffy. Now I'm ready to add 1 large egg, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the red food coloring, and it's going to measure out between 2 to 3 teaspoons, but I'm just going to go ahead and add the entire tube, and it's going to be absolutely perfect. It's going to give you that perfect shade of red. And again, I'm going to take the hand mixer, and as you can see, it's giving me that red velvety look, which is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm just going to add a couple more things to the wet mixture. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm also going to add and mix 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, and once I mix this together, I'm going to put together the dry ingredients. Now in a separate bowl, I've already measured out 1½ cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of some really good cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and at the very end, just 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And right now, I'm just gonna grab a whisk and just combine all of my dry ingredients together. So I'm done with everything, so now I'm ready to add half of the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and just grab the mixer and mix that together. And then I'm going to add the last half and then mix everything until I get the perfect cookie dough. So here at the very end, I'm ready to add 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips, and now I'm just going to grab a spatula and just fold them all together so that I don't break up the chips. So my cookie dough is all done, and before I start baking off the cookies, I'm going to cover it up with a plastic wrap and just let it chill in the refrigerator between 3 and 24 hours. So I went ahead and let my cookie dough chill in the refrigerator overnight, and now I'm just going to bring it out and let it sit out for 15 minutes before I start making cookies. I've already lined a cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm going to use a ice cream scooper to scoop out my cookies just so that they're around the same size. So I'm just going to take each scoop and roll them around in my hands, forming a ball, and you want to place them, you know, about 2 inches away from each other because the cookies will spread out once you bake them. And this recipe will make around 12 cookies. So this is what the first batch looks like. I've already preheated the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake them off for 9 minutes. So after 9 minutes, this is what the cookies look like. They look amazing, and before they cool down, I'm just going to add some more white chocolate chips on top just so that they look a lot more festive and a lot more prettier. So this is what the cookies look like. They're absolutely beautiful and they're absolutely delicious, and I hope you make them this Valentine's Day for everybody that you love. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. Share this video with everybody you know. Take a picture, follow me, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and click that subscriber button down there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.